Brody Carter, good Friday morning at 6:16. This is the look in Holland at Collin Park, where the clouds becoming a little bit more disorganized, a little bit less organized as the latest batch of rain that has deposited some decent amounts in the overnight. I'll have to check on the tally at the airport in Grand Rapids, but just kind of using some common sense looking at that radar, I would suspect that many of us have gotten another inch of rain, perhaps even more than that. Certainly. So some ponding on roadways. Look out, folks. Light rain still ongoing in Grand Rapids at the moment. We've got an overcast, of course, and that will carry forth for the next few hours. But as we get towards 10:30, 11 o'clock and beyond, I do anticipate that there will be a brightening of the skies slowly but surely. And through this afternoon, we're going mostly sunny and just in time for those peak warming hours to take us into the low to mid 70s around the region. Here you can see this goes back, how far back does this go? A couple hours that the heaviest of the rain was atop us, but now it is not. It's more of just kind of a nuisance, lighter brand of rain, drizzle, light rain pockets, and that will continue through about 8, 9 o'clock, and then we look for that to taper back to maybe just a sprinkle or two from 10 to 11 o'clock, and then the better sunshine comes about thereafter. There is a system over Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. Doesn't have nearly the amount of moisture as the one that has come through our neck of the woods over the past 24 to 36 hours, but it will start to pick up a little bit more moisture as we go through the next couple days, and that's the one that arrives here early on Sunday morning with another round of rain that will carry forth for a number of hours on Sunday. It is to turn out very cloudy, very wet once again on Sunday, so enjoy it this afternoon and Saturday when we've got the dry weather, because another rainy system is in the offing not too far away. 59 degrees in Grand Rapids, also Ionia. Southward along I-94, it's the lower 60s, so it's a pretty balmy start to the day, and despite the fact that we do have a cold front that is working across the region, that's what you technically classify it when you shift winds from the south to the northwest. Notice that the winds, they are not great, even though those wind arrows are starting to come more out of the northwest direction, and the air mass behind this cold front certainly is not cold. It's going to be warmer than yesterday by a number of degrees. Yesterday got to 63 in GR. Today we're looking for around 74, maybe 75 by day's end with that increasing afternoon sunshine. Dry for Saturday, wet on Sunday. I alluded to that. We'll talk more in just a moment. Temps slowly ramp up next week. Yes, we will begin on the cooler side Sunday and Monday with low to mid 60s, but by the end of the week, it'll be upper 70s to near 80 degrees and a dry pattern for several days. Once we kick this system out of here Sunday, it will linger a shower through the first half of Monday, but thereafter it is dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, probably through Friday and Saturday as well. So once we get to that point, this is the kind of weather we've been looking to get to in spring. It's just been a struggle thus far, but we are working towards it, it looks like, as we get into the middle of next week. Watch the future track model. As I mentioned, still the chance for a few sprinkles, a patch of drizzle, even through 10 o'clock this morning, but certainly thereafter, it is getting out of here for good, and sunshine breaking out in full force this afternoon, helping to pump the mercury as high as around 75 degrees. It's been a while since we've been there, but we're getting there today, folks. Overnight tonight will be mostly clear for, it looks like, the majority of the evening and early overnight, but some low clouds may tend to come in towards daybreak, and then we'll fight those off through the day on Saturday. It'll be a mixture of sun and clouds tomorrow. Not quite as warm as today, but right around 70, say 71 degrees. And that's the rain, not for where we are right now, but for the Sunday system. That is looking to be a pretty soggy one that arrives around daybreak, carries into the afternoon, but we're looking towards Tuesday and beyond. Sunshine and increasing temperatures, the warmest of the year by later in the week.
Good news there. Well, have you ever completely